The Business Snapshot report in QuickBooks Online is a group of graphs that let you quickly see your company's income and expenses. To open the Business Snapshot in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Reports button in the navigation bar, and then click the Standard Reports link, or click the Standard Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar if that bar already appears on screen. Either way, the Standard Reports page then appears to the right. Next, click the Business Snapshot link within the Business Overview report category in the Standard Reports page. Alternatively, click into the Type Report Name Here field in the Standard Reports page, type Business Snapshot, and then click it to select it from the list of reports that appears below the field. The Business Snapshot in QuickBooks Online shows the My Income and My Expenses graphs, which show a breakdown of your income and expenses by account. It then also shows a previous year income comparison graph and a previous year expense comparison graph. At the bottom of the report, the Who Owes Me list shows customers who currently owe you money. The Who I Owe list shows the vendors to whom you currently owe money. The default period for all the graphs and lists is this year to date. To change the period shown in one of the graphs or lists, select a choice from the drop-down in its upper right corner. To show the amount for any account category in either the My Income or My Expenses graph, hover over the desired account or its section in the graph to show a screen tip that shows the amount. To show the amount for any bar in the previous year income comparison graph or previous year expense comparison graph, hover over the bar. To export and download a PDF for either the previous year income comparison graph or previous year expense comparison graph, hover over the graph, click the triple dot icon that then appears in its lower right corner, and select the Export Widget command. To view the previous year profit and loss comparison report, click the Go to Report link in either graph. To view the associated AR Aging Summary Report or AP Aging Summary Report for the Who Owes Me or the Who I Owe lists, click the Go to Report link at the bottom of the respective graph. If desired, you can print the entire Company Snapshot page in your browser window by using your web browser's print feature to print the entire page. How you do this varies based on the web browser you are using. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.